Alright guys, so yeah, we have the new iPhone 17 Pro Max now coming in not 4 but only 3 different colors, and I'm going to show you precisely how they look. We have this new redesigned camera on the back, 2 gorgeous new introductory colors. We have a cosmic orange and a deep blue finish. Without further ado, let's dive into the colors of these new incredible devices. Alright guys, your first look at the new cosmic orange color. Look at that. Look at the vibration, look at the different angles, look at the color, have a look at the new camera layout. You can see we now have this more horizontal shape. This color is absolutely amazing. Also, we have this subtle, soft back. Action button still on the right. USB-C. Gorgeous edge-to-edge display. You also feel like with the aluminum frame here, the edges are a little bit softer than normal. But this is your first look at the new cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro. Alright guys, here's your first look at the new deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max here. Still coming in with a display of 6.9 inches. Here on the right we have the iPhone 17 Pro, 6.3 inches. And look at this deep blue finish, absolutely gorgeous as well. I love these refined edges, it makes holding your iPhone so nice. We also have this new camera system on the back, 348 megapixel cameras. And also what's nice to know is that this here on the back is made from ceramic shield, which is the same ceramic shield that we have on the front of the device. Reminds me a lot of the deep purple that we had on the iPhone 14 Pro. I think this is going to replace the black. There's no black 17 Pro this year. It's a deep blue. Then we have the cosmic orange. And now let's head over to the next one, the new silver iPhone 17. And lastly, your first look at the new iPhone 17 Pro in silver. I mean, this is the more minimal iPhone, the iPhone we're familiar with. It looks a little bit like titanium, the natural titanium color that we had on the 15 Pro and 16 Pro. But yeah, you can see that more of the cleaner ones of the 3 with this triple 48 megapixel camera system on the back, action button, obviously, camera control, these really nice edges. So this is the 6.9 inch model, and here we have the 6.3 inch model. Gorgeous edge-to-edge display. Have a look at the back. Very clean and natural look with that ceramic shield here on the back. And now let's just get back to the 17 Pro Max now with the biggest battery ever in an iPhone. Still USB-C there. So yeah, let me know what you think. What is the best iPhone 17 Pro color? Is it the deep blue? Is it the silver? Or one of the iPhone 17 Pro Max ones in cosmic orange?